How to upload a full-size photo on Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to upload a full-size photo on Instagram, first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. As you do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply select on the post. Now I'm going to select a particular picture, so then tap on Next. As I tap on Next, what happens is you can see the picture. Now, if you want the fuller picture or zoomed-in picture, you can tap on this arrow, 2 arrows over here at the bottom left corner, so tap on it. So this gives you a closer look, but if you want to use a full-size photo, simply tap it on, and it will show the full-size photo. And now you just have to tap on the next option. You can add audio, text, anything. And then here, you can add captions, tag people, and then simply just tap on share and you'll be able to upload a full-size photo on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.